I want to talk about the smart battery charger that TowerTop sent me to do a video on. These things are absolutely invaluable. Where I live up in the Northeast, it's about to be winter, it's starting to get cold out, and that's very tough on batteries without a doubt. So having one of these is invaluable. What does it come with? You get right there some instructions and a quick start guide. Right here, you can see those are the cable clamps. Right here is the main unit right here. Now, these are great for charging as well as repairing a battery, so plenty of uses. And it can be used on pretty much any battery, especially these are great for marine batteries or boat batteries. Boat batteries are usually susceptible. You need to let them sit for a long time. They don't run all winter or whatever, and come springtime, they definitely need to be charged up. So this is going to be extremely valuable. And using this as a piece of cake, it's advised you take the battery out of the vehicle, but I'm just kind of displaying right here how to do it. You're going to attach the red to the positive, the black to the negative, red to red, black to black. Pretty easy. And then you'll turn the unit on and find the correct settings. Being a smart charger, this is going to do a lot of the work for you. Pretty much plug and play. Plug it in, attach the leads, and let it charge the battery for you. If you want to keep your battery charged up, click on the link in the description below.